Hey guys, this is Joel at Scale Warehouse. I just wanted to show you another workaround if the one in our previous video hadn't helped you. You're showing a no communication or none on your RM470 display. This will get it to link up with the Rice Lake series of indicators. We'll be using a 720 for this video. You're going to want to first access the control board, unscrew these two screws underneath. This will give you access to the board. Now on the board you have three buttons. You're going to want to push button 1, which is the furthest to your left. You're going to want to push the button number 1, which is furthest to your left. You want to press and hold this button until it starts showing info on the display. Next it will say proto for protocol. Release it on that. You want to do short presses on this button 1, until you reach string 53, which is the VTEX string. Once you reach that, you want to hold button 1 for about 2 seconds to save the string. It will flash 53, saved, and you're good to go.